Greetings, Indigo Earth. Today we are going to have another discussion on Satyuga, the Indigo Earth. Bhagyashalini welcomes you all on this platform where we share our experience with being the Indigo Earth. What is Indigo Earth or what is Satyuga? Satyuga is experiencing love within, being love. How can we become love, or how are we being love? We have to understand that God is nothing but love. And the vibrations that make this universe in entirety is the vibration that love creates within all of us. The vibration of joy. How can people generally ask that how can we be love? How can like we say that being love? How can we experience being love? How do you experience being rich? How do you experience being angry? How do you experience being a player? How do you experience being the best? That's how you experience being love. If you experience being love, you have to have love to give love, get love. The only language, the only transaction you have is of love. No matter what the other person is feeling, how the other person is reacting. If they're not interested at that moment to respond to you, it's okay. Because you are love. When they reach that vibration of love is very high. It is the God vibration. It gives joy to everybody and anybody. Anger, hate, codependency, addictions, they are all very low vibration and they bring a lot of illness. Because wherever love is there, joy is automatically there. There's peace. So there's always we. When we are being loved, we are always we. There is togetherness of joy and peace with it. But wherever there is no love, there is no peace, there's no joy. That's why all other emotions are just not happening, or they cannot stay for long. We get tired being in that. We get so stressed. We fall sick because it's that I emotion, the ego self emotion. And they can never last. Try being in anger forever. No, you cannot be. Try being sad forever. Or try having a room full of sad people. And you will surely find after 2 minutes, 5 minutes, you'll find people walking out of that room. Next time, whenever you feel any low vibe, or anybody in your family feels any low vibration, ask them to sit in a corner, a sulk corner, or a low vibe corner, or an anger corner. Trust me, they won't be able to sit there for long. They'll get bored of it. So the best thing to do is always have a corner in your house. Let the entire house be full of love, joy and peace. And just let one corner be for sulking or any kind of a codependency or any addiction or any low vibe. And you'll see people will start repelling from that corner. Thank you so much.